That night, Steve wasn't available either, so Miranda decided to do the next best thing. Apparently, Magda was not only cleaning, she was performing an exorcism.
Who is this, and what is she doing in my bedroom?
It is the Virgin Mary.
And where's my other thing?
What thing?
You know, the thing. Don't make me say it. The thing you moved and replaced with this lady.
In bathroom middle drawer next to hairdryer. But no man will marry you if that is by bed. It means you don't need him.
Magda, what I don't need is another mother. I have one in Philadelphia, and that's close enough. I need a housekeeper who will clean my apartment and stop judging me because I'm a 34-year-old single woman living in New York. I drink coffee and have sex and buy pies and enjoy battery-operated devices. If you can't deal with that, I will find another housekeeper who can.